Hello, here I am again. And this week I have a question for you. One that I really want you to ponder on and think about. And the question is this: why are we afraid? And what do I mean by this? Let me rephrase. Why are we afraid of other people? Now you may think, well, why is Ore asking me such a weird question? At the heart of all of my training sessions, which are public speaking, confidence building, and mental health, is one thing, and it is fear. Fear of what other people may think. And I'm speaking about this simply because it's something that I have experienced myself growing up, always worrying about what other people think about me and letting that get in my way of progression. When we look at mental health, there's a huge stigma attached to it. And why is there a stigma? Because we allow it to continue by not talking about what's going on with us. And why don't we talk? Because of the fear of what people may think or may do. And it's the same with public speaking, getting up and standing in front of an audience. Why do we struggle with it? Why is it possibly the number one fear in the world? Because of what we think other people may be thinking. Now, most of us are not mind readers. We never know really what people are thinking. Even when they say certain things to us, we still don't know that's really what they're thinking. So why should we allow that to get in the way of our potential? Why should we let that get in the way of our healing? So this is what I would like to suggest, and it's something that I've practiced. The solution to overcoming fear is communication. Let's engage with other people. Let's speak to other people. Because when we do this, we will realize that we are all the same.